If you're struggling to come up with ideas for your content marketing videos, then today I want to introduce a great website I use to help me brainstorm ideas. The website is answerthepublic.com and it's been described as a search listening tool for marketing, customer, and content research. Essentially, it allows you to discover what people are asking about a specific topic on Google, YouTube, and Bing. And to get started is super easy. You just enter the topic, brand, or product you're interested in researching, choose which country you want the data from and which language, and then you click the search button and let the software do its thing. Within 30 to 60 seconds, it'll come back to you with a heap of insights and data that you can review to come up with ideas for your video content. So let's look at a real example and pretend that I've got a client I'm helping with his or her content marketing, and they run a legal practice specializing in family law. So I entered the term family lawyer into Answer the Public, selected Australia in Google and pushed search. And you can see an image behind me, which is a sample output from Answer the Public. It gives you a whole range of different searches people have made in Google for the topic of family lawyer. And in that image, you can see there's 85 different terms people have searched Google for around the central topic of family lawyer. Note that this is just one small sample of suggested terms that Answer the Public came back to me with. The final report has 652 results listed. I'm just showing you a tiny example. You'll also note that I put my mouse over one particular result, family lawyer for dads, which is highlighted in orange. Now, if you were a family lawyer looking for ideas for your next content marketing video, then discussing how you help dads seeking family law assistance strikes me as being a pretty good topic to create a video about. Even from this simple demonstration, I hope you can see the value of using a tool like Answer the Public to identify topics that you can create video content about. Now, you can go and get a free 7-day trial by visiting their site, and honestly, the measly US $9 a month they charge for a subscription is well and truly worth it, in my opinion. Okay, well, this is Aaron Malik signing off. I hope you found that video useful. If you need any help to plan and implement your content marketing strategy, then you can either visit the website at thepersonalbrand.agency or you can call me direct on 0412 799 688. I'd love to chat to you about your content marketing needs.